green. Airspeed's alive.
You can contact Boston departure.
Okay, contact Boston departure, thanks, 151. Boston departure, Cessna 13151, just departed Norwood at about 1,000 feet, direct to Barnes.
Number 13151, Boston departure, good morning, radar contact. Traffic 11:30, 12 o'clock, 3 marks. 2 miles southbound, indicating 2,800, type unknown.
Okay, looking for traffic, thanks.
Cessna 131, traffic's just about your 11:30 now, half a mile. Still indicating 2,800. What altitude would you like for Barnes?
I'd like to be at 4,500, thanks.
Roger, stand by. Cessna 151, what is your heading for Barnes?
Headings for Barnes will be approximately 287.
Oh, okay, Cessna 13151, roger. For now, maintain VFR below the Boston Bravo airspace. As soon as you clear the Boston arrivals, I'll hire for you.
Okay, stay below the Boston Bravo, 151.
Cessna 13151, you are cleared into the Boston Bravo airspace, on course to maintain VFR 4,500.
Okay, cleared into the Boston Bravo, maintain course and cleared to 4500, thanks. Okay, we're inside the 4,000 foot shelf of Boston.
Maintain 3,000, contact approach
We're climbing now through 3,200 to 4,500. And even 4 for 3. About 74 climb speed, and we're pretty much on 286 on our GPS direction to Barnes.
Cessna 151, you are clear the Boston Bravo airspace. Maintain VFR on course and remain with me for flight following.
Okay, clear the Bravo, remain with you, VFR, thanks.
November 13151, contact Bradley approach 119.0, good day.
Contact Bradley approach 119.0, thanks, 151. Bradley approach Cessna 13151, that's about 4,500, direct to Barnes.
November 13151, Bradley approach, flight altimeter 3008. Cessna 151, contact approach 125.35.
125.35, 151. Approach Cessna 13151 at 4,500 feet inbound to direct to Barnes.
Cessna 151, Bradley approach, roger.
You can see Westover just off my right nose, and there are a ton of really nice jets down there. And I'm pretty sure I can see Barnes now. We're about 12 miles out, still at 45.
Number 151, altitude is your discretion. Contact Westfield Tower.
Okay, over to Westfield Tower, altitude, my discretion, 151. Westfield Tower, Cessna 13151, inbound for landing with information Bravo.
Cessna 151, Westfield Tower, remain clear to cross Delta, emergency in progress. Cessna 151, did you copy?
Maintain clearance from class Delta. I'm going to turn to the north.
151, roger. If you want to stay on my frequency, I'll let you know when I get you in.
That would be great. I'll just stay out here. Thanks a lot. Okay, that's fascinating. They're having an emergency at Barnes.
Contact Boston Center 132.65.
Emergency at Barnes, and I'm going to go to the north to stay out of the way.
Solo 2, do you need both cables up? Solo 2, do you need both cables up? Solo 2, roger, and will this be an engagement? Roger.
Basically, I'm just skirting the edge of the class Delta, which I can see.
Cessna 151, traffic orbiting 5 northeast of the field at 3,000 feet is an F15.
Okay, looking for traffic, 151.
Cessna 151, remain well east of the runway 20 extended center line.
Okay, we'll remain well east of 20 extended center line, 151. Wow, there is an F15.
Traffic.
No kidding, there's traffic. Basically off my left wing.
Cessna 42, Quebec, runway 15, clear to land.
42, Quebec, copy, clear to land.
My left wing.
Solo 2, traffic orbiting 6 northeast of the field is a Cessna at 4,600. And Boa 2, I've got one landing, 15. Other than that, we're keeping everything open for you, so give me a good heads up when you're inbound.
I'm thinking they got some kind of a landing emergency with this F-16.
Just a 132.5.
Open.
Okay, Tower 1 Kilo Golf, I have that F-15 on flight just off my right side.
About 1 Kilo Golf, report 5 miles straight in runway 15.
1 Kilo Golf, we're set up more for a left face for 15 if that's okay.
So the 42 Quebec, make a quick right on 20, followed by a quick right on Alpha, please, and contact ground.
What's Quebec, turning.
Just not
1 Kilo
available.
Golf, 5 miles straight in will help me out a lot better. I'm going to have emergency vehicles all over the field in a second.
1 kilo golf, I'll make a right turn out. We'll make it straight in. I'll call you 5 out for 15.
1 kilo golf, Roger. Cessna 151, also you can set up for straight in runway 15.
Okay, we'll set up for straight into 151.
So to our clear to land runway 20, cable indicates up.
I do believe they're putting cables down to stop this F-16. Oh, that was some fascinating stuff.
Cessna 151, aerial traffic no longer a factor. Follow the experimental right base full stop.
Okay, traffic no factor following the experimental 151.
Cessna 151, you can turn inbound anytime now.
Okay, we'll line up for a base out here, thanks.
Cessna 151, number 2, runway 15, clear to land.
Okay, number 2 for 15, clear to land, 151. Below 85, third notch in.
Not available.
Cessna 151, turn right on runway 20, then right on Alpha, and then contact ground point 7.
Right on 20, right on Alpha, contact ground 151.